Company Minor.
Pinaglabanan, National High School, Pinaglabanan, Goa, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Warren Godoy. Troop Commander, Kylie Briones, Troop S1. Jerry Daria, Troop S2. Reggie Akayan, Troop S3. Neil Noel Valle, Troop S4. Carl Briones, Troop S5. Ronnie Buban Jr., Troop S6. Major Leader, Cassandra Faith Payot. BBC Leader, Aljon Losada. CTP Alpha Company Commander, Mark John Recantillo. CTP Alpha Company XO, Ace Abner. First Platoon Leader, Boys, Cyrus Del Castillo. Second Platoon Leader, Boys, Jopper Buban. CTP Bravo Company Commander, Sheila Lozada. CTP Bravo Company XO, Kyla Reyes. First Platoon Leader Girls, Jessa De Los Santos. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Roy Danao. MAPE Company Commander, Owen Zambiliate. MAPE Company XO, Joey Pagal. First Platoon Leader, Jeru Relioso. Second Platoon Leader, Joy Pinalingbin. School Head Principal, Rosemary Mirania. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Mary Grace Borromeo. Major Coordinator, Rosel Mabasa. BBC DLC Coordinator, Dan Director, RJ Kobe. Nino Michael Padayaw, Assistant CTV MAPE Facilitator. Ronnie Cledera, Assistant DLC Facilitator. Nelori Claveria, Assistant Major Trainer. Entry number 5, Pinaglabanan National High School, Pinaglabanan Goa, Camarines Sur.
Entry number 5 sa ating Category 3 and 4, Pinaglabanan National High School, hali sa Goa, Camarines Sur.
Once again, we have Pandawan Seafoods Restaurant, Doña Osang's Catering Services, Tiger's Cafe, Dunkin' Donuts, Noise Cafe, Garden Cafe, Carl's Catering Services, Bite Swags, 3N Shopaw, Bico's Best Toasted Shopaw, the Honorable Lito del Rosario of Naga City, Pin Cafe. Visit the all-new Pin Cafe at Kilometer 5, Bacol, Naga City, and Zekiel Cakes and Pastries. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa One Media TV 48 Naga. The Pinaglabanan National High School CTP unit from Goa, Camarines Sur.
Thank you very much. Entry number 5, Pinaglabanan National High School, Pinaglabanan Goa, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 6, Category 3, Calabanga National Science High School, Santa Cruz, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Margaret Bronzal, Troop Commander, Oliver Camora, Troop S1. J.D. David, Troop S2, Princess May Ferolino, Troop S3, Giancarlo Capua, Troop S4, KC Villamate, Troop S5, Major Leader, Sophie Aguilar, TBC Leader, Ernest Isaac Buela, CTP Alpha Company Commander, Ray Vincent Azanias, CTP Alpha Company XO, Juan Agripino Lumbang, First Platoon Leader, Boys, John Francis Nunez. Second platoon leader boys, Mark Porto. CTP Bravo Company Commander, Charmy Van Ricia Pedreso. CTP Bravo Company XO, Vida Eterna Matos. First platoon leader girls, Nina Palayar. Second platoon leader girls, Robin Florendo. Mape, school head or principal, Edmundo Alatano. CTP Mape Facilitator. Second Master Sergeant Olito Nieves, Reserve Philippine Air Force. Major Coordinator, Lorabel Robles. CBCDLC Coordinator Band Director, Jordan Hernandez. Regina Francia, Pante, Mape Department, Catherine Seya, SHRD RRR Facilitator. Entry number 6, Calabanga National High School or Calabanga National Science High School, Santa Cruz, Calabanga, Camarines Sur.
From Calabanga National Science High School from Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Kaibanan pa si Jamaica Angeles saro sa mga commentator ngunyan na aldaw.
Thank you very much. Entry number 6, Calabanga National Science High School, Santa Cruz, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 7.
With category 4, MAPE Unit, Company Minus, Combined, boys and girls.
San Ramon Pilot National High School, San Ramon, Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Ketch Drexler Delvino. Troop Commander, John Paul Bernales. Troop S1, Marquis Respeto. Troop S2, Mayor Rose Proyalde. Troop S3, Pauline Joy Boticario. Troop S4, Eliza Miranya. Troop S5, Ronaldo Fernandez Jr. Troop S6, Major Leader, Jerry Daor. DBC Leader, Will Harvey Moreno. CTB Alpha Company Commander, John Ray Ilaw. CTB Alpha Company XO, J. Ren Liva. First Platoon Leader Boys, Dominic Belsa. Second Platoon Leader Boys, Frank John Franco. CTB Bravo Company Commander, Jen Belza. CTB Bravo Company XO, Janelle Patriarca. First Platoon Leader Girls, Princess Saboko. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Tisha Ann Viray. Jenny S. Benitez. MAPE Company Commander, MAPE Company XO, Risa Melona. First Platoon Leader, Marian Dacer. Second Platoon Leader, Janine Delfino. Full Head Principal, Jamie or Jaime Picasso Jr., Principal 2, CGP MAPE Facilitator, Alan Ochoa, Major Coordinator, Carla Marie Respeto, EBCDLC Coordinator, Band Director, Joel Porissima, Maria Nianza Clasio, Assistant Major Coordinator, Anthony Linzo, Assistant CCP Facilitator. Entry number 7, San Ramon Pilot National High School, San Ramon, Lagunoy, Camarines Sur.
po, Arachan, mga kaibanan Tanyato. Si Christine Alcanzo Reyes, ang sarong sa mga commentator ngunyan na aldaw.
Thank you very much. Entry number 7, San Ramon Pilot National High School, San Ramon, Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 8,
Na po, si Christine Alcanzo Reyes,
Malawak
ngunyan na
National
aldaw
High
para
School,
mag-commentator
Malawak
sa
Nablok,
tuyang
Camarines
okasyon.
Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Marla Pacer, Troop Commander, Joseph Preponeria, Troop S1, Jarian Longares, Troop S2, Randy Silvano, Troop S3, Jack Ryan Bagasbas, Troop S4, KC Ravago, Troop S5, Major Leader, Reese Ann Longares, DBC Band Leader, Clyde Jason Azul, CTB, Alpha Company Commander, Justin Paul Ramusa, CTB, Alpha Company EXO, Clyde Taburnal, First Platoon Leader Boys, Phoenix Rain Pedron, Second Platoon Leader Boys, Jeric Remolado, CTB Bravo Company Commander, Samantha Josefa P. Gurubao, CTB Bravo Company EXO, Angela Maumay, First Platoon Leader Girls, Joey Joy Sarza, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Lay Andrea Gaparda, Mape Company Commander, John Paul Solares, Mape Company EXO, Chashley Santo Domingo, First Platoon Leader, John Rupert Senusi, Second Platoon Leader, Lara Sarza, School Head Principal, Erenia Saison, CTB Mape Facilitator, Tomas Barandon, CTB Mape Assistant Facilitator, AC Barandon, Josie Fortuno, Major Coordinator, Aiza Tangkalan, Major Trainer, Mary Joy Bagasala, Donna Perez Garcilio, DBC DLC Coordinator, Romeo Benjo Alvesta, DBC DLC Assistant Coordinator, Jason Joy Mora Dapelas, Gibson Bulse. Entry number 8, Malawak National High School, Malawak, Nabwa, Camarines Sur.
Grade category 4, mapping boys and girls combined.
Thank you very much. Entry number 8, Malawak National High School. Next entry number 9, category 3 only, Milaor National High School. CTP Unit San Jose, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Prince Cedric Pangan, Troop Commander. Brainy Faye Porteria, Troop S1. Maria Cristel Valdisno, Troop S2. Carl Roland Vidal, Troop S3. Carl Maru Lumeda, Troop S4. Manuela Josefa Sain, Troop S5. Major Leader Andrea King Avenido, DBC Leader Kenji Formanes, CTP Alpha Company Commander Sean Kenneth Perez, CTP Alpha Company EXO Nicolas Sanabal. First Platoon Leader Boys Rick Mark Florendo. Second Platoon Leader Boys Alexander Paul Agor. CTP Bravo Company Commander Karen Cabrejas, CTP Bravo Company EXO Oleanor Tal. First Platoon Leader Girls Lisbeth Somayaw. Second Platoon Leader Girls Angelica Loma. School Principal Joseph Sarsaba. Assistant School Principal Maria Cecilia Nicolas Sola. CTP Coordinator Jerica Pase. Major Coordinator Winnie Rosero. DLC Coordinator Alan Timot. CTP Assistant Coordinator Soren Ariscado. Major Assistant Coordinator Kelly Tejeresato. DLC Assistant Coordinator Ryan Capase. Entry number 9, Milaor National High School, San Jose, Milaor, Camarines Sur.
National High School, CTP Unit Milaor, Camarines Sur. Yan, Rick, shoutout muna tayo dito kay Gail Soto, Chin Ruti, Dalia Obarbo Luzante, asin kay Winnie Sape. Asin napasalamat po kita sa tuyang mga sponsors sa Rian Siopaw, the People's Best Toasted Siopaw, the Honorable Lito Del Rosario of Naga City, Pin Cafe, visit the only Pin Cafe at Kayam 5, Bacol, Naga City. We want yan po sa tuyang contingent number 9, Milaora National High School, halip pa sa Milaora, Camarines Sur.
Thank you very much. Entry number 9, Milaor National High School,